Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are having a great day so far. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give this $20 Walmart bookcase a complete makeover. If you love mirrored furniture just as much as I do, then I know you will enjoy this Walmart hack. Before we get started with the bookcase makeover, I want to share with you guys my favorite shopping app to help you save money. This video is sponsored by ShopTarga. ShopTarga is a web and mobile app that notifies you when an item you have been wanting goes on sale. To download ShopTarga, all you have to do is click Get the button using Google Chrome, and then ShopTarga will be an extension on your web browser. Whenever you're shopping online at your favorite stores, all you have to do is click the button on the top or on the side to save it to your ShopTarga cart. You can pick the percentage of sale you want to be notified with when it goes on sale, or make lists to help you stay organized with your shopping. I'm already starting to plan for the holidays because it'll be here before you know it. So after I created my holiday decor category, I clicked the update button and it saved the item to my ShopTarga cart. There are many stores to choose from that work with ShopTarga, and next to it you can find coupons available to help you save even more money. This app is completely free to download, and I highly recommend you trying it out because I'm sure you will enjoy it just as much as I do. I receive emails as soon as the items saved to my ShopTarga cart go on sale or come back in stock. This web app is very convenient and I highly recommend you downloading the app. I'll leave a link to download ShopTarga in my description box, so make sure you check it out. Thank you ShopTarga for sponsoring today's video. Now let's go ahead and get started with the Walmart hack. I went to Walmart one day and looked at the furniture selection they had and noticed this 3-shelf bookcase that was listed for $30. I thought that was a good price, and when I was checking out at the register it was actually $20. They had placed it on top of the wrong price, so I was very happy with this purchase. You can order this in white or a wooden gray finish if you don't want it black. Starting off, I emptied out the box and looked at the pictures for assembly, but I never follow the step-by-step process. I've always been the type to figure it out by myself instead of reading the instructions. It took me about 20 minutes to assemble the bookcase because I didn't read the instructions, so make sure you do so, that way this piece is 100% secure and you finish faster. Do any of you do the same and try to figure it out by yourself? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much to everyone who has sent me the sweetest messages and comments in my last video. I had so much fun painting and sharing the results with you all. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave the link to it in my description box so you can check it out. I'm going to be painting another one, so let me know if you want to see another one in silver or in gold. I wanted to give you a view of how the bookcase looks right now, and next I'm going to add the back to keep anything from falling out of one side, but you can leave it blank if you like. This is the back that I'm going to attach to the bookshelf. I wanted to add peel and stick metallic paper to the back, but I didn't find any that I liked, so I found these metallic paper sheets from Hobby Lobby. They were $1 each because that week they were 50% off, so I thought they would be perfect. I glued the back of the paper with a glue stick and covered the entire board. Now that the board was covered, I grabbed my hammer to nail the board onto the bookcase. If you didn't already know, Lowe's has a cutting section in their store for glass and mirror. There are some associates that don't even know that they have a cutting section because it's a small space in their store, so they might tell you that they don't have one. If that's the case, I would ask to speak to a manager so they can direct you to their glass cutting section. You will need Gorilla Construction adhesive to glue the mirrors down, and this glue is very strong. It holds instantly, so you will see me applying the mirror to the sides of the bookcase without the mirrors falling off. After gluing down the top, I took the shelves out from the bookcase and applied a good amount of adhesive to make sure they're very secure. I glued the mirror straight up instead of laying it on the side so I don't chance the mirror to crack. You can lay the bookcase on its back if that'll be easier for you to work with. This worked for me, so it's just your preference. After you finish gluing the mirrors down, the last step is optional. You can glue thin sticks around the mirror to make sure you don't get scratched or cut yourself. If you have kids, I highly suggest to add the thin sticks to make sure they don't get hurt. I will be adding thin sticks around the edges and spray paint the sticks black and glue them down. Lowe's was closed by the time I needed to get them, so I'll be adding them after this video. To see how I glued them down, you can check out my DIY mirrored table video so you can do it yourself. I'll leave a link to it in my description box, and I'll include a quick clip here of the process. Lastly, I'm gluing the bottom shelf down, and I can't wait to share the results with you guys. My gloves had a little bit of glue on them, so I took them off since I was about done, and here are the final results. This is how the new bookshelf turned out, you guys. I'm super excited. It was such a great price for only $20, and I paid $40 for the mirrors. This can be used in many different ways other than its main purpose. I had someone reach out and ask me to help them with an idea on how to store candles and perfumes. This is a great way to keep them organized and look like they're in a little boutique. You can place this in your bathroom and add towels, baskets with soap, lotion, hair products, and body wash. There are so many ways that you can use this bookcase, and you can even place this in your closet to organize clothes, accessories, or shoes. The possibilities of how you can use this bookshelf are endless. I would love to know where you would place this mirror bookshelf, so let me know in the comments down below. I have it here in a corner of my living room to show you that this can be a nice little side table next to your chair. You can place a lamp on it and have a little cozy reading space in your home. This concludes today's video. Thank you for watching and all your continued love and support. It means more and more each day. Don't forget to download ShopTarga, the link is in my description box. I'll talk to you all in my next video, which will be very soon, so make sure you're subscribed and click the bell notification to be notified when that video goes up. Take care.